Have you ever wondered if traditional skills still hold any value in our fast-paced, technology-driven world? In the realm of carpentry, the answer is a resounding yes. The mastery of hand tools, an art form in itself, fosters precision, patience, and a profound respect for the material. These skills, although seemingly archaic, are incredibly relevant and beneficial in our modern, automated world. In a world driven by speed and convenience, traditional carpentry stands as a testament to patience, precision, and respect for the material. Imagine the fulfillment of creating something beautiful and lasting with your own hands. Seasoned carpenters often speak of the profound satisfaction drawn from traditional methods. Their hands, in intimate contact with the wood, guide the transformation from raw to refined. The emphasis on sustainable practices heightens this gratification, knowing their craft leaves minimal footprints on our environment. The resulting creation, a testament to patience and precision, is not just functional, but potentially enduring for generations. There's a unique sense of joy and fulfillment that comes from working with your hands, shaping raw material into something functional and beautiful. Can you see the extra care and skill embedded in handcrafted woodwork? Each piece is a testament to the beauty of precision, patience, and mastery. Traditional carpentry births creations that are more than just functional. They're enduring works of art, destined to last generations. The mark of the carpenter is etched not just in the wood, but in the longevity of the piece itself, reflecting an intimate relationship with the material. Every handcrafted piece tells a story of skill, patience, and a deep connection between the carpenter and the wood. So, how does traditional carpentry fit into our modern world, you may ask? The answer lies in the profound beauty and lasting durability of handcrafted woodwork. Consider for a moment the personal growth, the satisfaction that stems from mastering time-honored techniques. Picture yourself fostering precision, patience, and a deep, respectful connection with the material. Traditional carpentry skills, with their focus on precision, patience, and respect for the material, have a place in our modern world. They remind us of the value of slowing down, taking care, and creating something that can last.